In this video, I'm going to show you how can you earn fast money online if $100 a day complete autopilot. You don't need to create your videos, you don't need to create website and rank them, blah blah blah. You don't need to invest even a penny. So make sure you hit the subscribe button with bell notification and click on the description first link for earn $500 per day. Every single day, month by month, day by day, and all the things goes on. So click the first description link for earn passive income. So today in this video I'm going to show you how can you earn money online with Amazon associate. Now there are many people who are running and who are thinking that they need to create videos, they need to create a website, but special trick is that you don't need to create website, video, or you don't need to do comments on other YouTube channel. This is completely autopilot, and all you need to just invest your 50 minutes a day, and after that month or 2 months you will be reached $200 per day. And so without wasting too much time, let's go for it. Now what you need to do, just I just wrote some steps here. So far you need to select a niche, for example gaming laptops or all the accessories which are covered gaming, like gaming laptops, gaming headsets, gaming mouse, and etc. Then just need to do just finding keywords according to you. For example I search for example my niche is gaming laptops, I search gaming laptops. Now for the additional keywords, what you need to do, just search gaming laptops on youtube.com and hit space. Now you finding these topics, these keywords, people are searching these phrases day by day, month by month, year by year, and these phrases are highly searching on YouTube at this time. So for example, I searching this keyword gaming laptops under $100 a day, $100. So I search that, and it's come up with great results, with many results, and there are many videos which are listed about this particular topic. So when you're finding a keyword, and I highly recommend you to come with another space and finding a specific keyword, so you will rank your video very easily. So then space. So I think so this is the best keyword, best gaming laptop under $100 2018. And this actually, if I remove the best, so I think so this one is perfect because it's only 64,000 results, so it's a good with a new brand new channel. So just copy this, okay, just copy this and create a new notepad and paste your keyword here. Now come to the amazon.com and join with Amazon associates. I put a link in the description box for coming on this web page. So now we need to just finding your topic like best gaming laptops. You will find any niche, you will cover any topic you like. I highly recommend you to do a top 5, like top 5 best gaming laptop, top 10. So these lists are highly converted. So what you need to do is come here and just adding some specific filters for finding a better results, better laptops, like average customer review 5.0 or 4.0 is recommended. And then you need for example you need to find 5 different laptops from different companies. So for example, first one, second one, and third one, and this one, and finally this one. Now this just open each of these laptop on a new single tab and read the reviews about that. So you will find some info about this laptop for writing a good description. So now when you done this, when you need to do, just come to your single tab, like your each tab, and download the content, download the videos from that particular sale page, and that's it. We need to just download this sale page video of 5 different laptops and put together into your editor, and then you just upload them on YouTube and rank them, and then you will generate easily sales. You just need to put your affiliate link on description box, and that's it. So these are a laptop which I am saying right now. You can also create a PowerPoint presentation using this text and these images which is showing right now, and some details more. Okay, now I just need to find a video, and here you can can see a video, just click there and then it pop up, and now you have multiple videos, different videos for different laptops and pre-made videos, and this video are freely for copyright issue, so you don't need to create a video. So what you need to just do some SEO, search engine optimization of your video for ranking them on for rank on top of YouTube page when someone search this thing, this keyword. So I highly recommend you to create a simple title which is very easy to do, read, and which is very easy to understand. For example, top 5 gaming laptop under $1,000 2019. Now when someone read that, so he will easily understand that the video gonna be list top 5 gaming laptop under $100 2018, and they just easily click on it and they will find your content. Now these simple steps, you can actually, if any of that laptop doesn't support video, so just skip this laptop and find another one. So just list together and then put your video on YouTube or creating a new channel. I don't think so you don't know how to create a channel, so this is a skip step from my side. So just finding a good products that are good videos and then put together like 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. So this is a simple strategy. This is a simple autopilot. For example, if you put 3 videos daily, because you don't just need 15 minutes a day for finding a video, for finding good laptops. For example, you put 3 videos daily and with a good intro and outro and good description, good SEO, it consume 2 hours daily for all of that stuff. And then for example, after the month you will get let me calculate and let me help you. For example, you put 3 videos daily and after a month you will generate 90 videos, and from 90 videos you will get 10 sales. And if each product gives you like for 10% of that, for example, if each product gives you overall commission of $800, so 9 sales, 8 multiplied 9, so you will easily generate $7,200 after 2-3 months struggle, because by doing struggle of 1-2 months, you just finance your work and you just come with a good ending of that particular amount. So you will see there's some products. Just download those videos and put together, list it and upload on your YouTube channel. Just download that. If you download it doesn't support it, so I highly recommend you to record that particular video with your Screencastic recorder, and that's it. So I hope you like this video. Please leave a comment below, subscribe this YouTube channel for more uploads so you won't miss anything. And if you're new on this YouTube channel, so make sure you hit the subscribe button, because I am come up with a value every single day, so it's a very good for you if you subscribe this channel. So goodbye, thank you for watching.